Video conferencing using Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet is a business norm. But did you know the most common user problem is the audio, not video? If you can't understand the person talking, video quality won't make up for that. Bose Professional has created the Bose Professional Videobar family of video conferencing solutions with best-in-class microphone technology and audio playback to address common audio issues. Without great sound, the meeting is almost meaningless. Collaboration and productivity are lost. I will share how the Bose Professional Videobar VB1 and VBS are more than just standalone hardware devices. They're a technology ecosystem that includes a best-in-class suite of software. This tutorial will provide a high-level overview covering the hardware and software components that make up the Videobar VB ecosystem. Let's start with the hardware. The VB1 and VBS are all-in-one USB conferencing devices that incorporate an onboard camera, microphones, loudspeakers, amplifier, processor, and network card all inside these slim devices. They transform a standard Mac or Windows computer into a full-fledged video conferencing solution so a user can host professional quality meetings almost anywhere using preferred UC services such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. The VB1 is designed to effectively handle spaces like this medium-sized conference room with a depth of 6 meters or 20 feet. The VBS brings a Bose Professional experience to small meeting spaces like this huddle space, this meeting booth, a private office, or any room measuring 3 meters by 3 meters or around 10 feet by 10 feet. All that's required is a Mac or Windows computer running a US cloud service like Microsoft Teams. A single USB cable connects them, and the Videobar VB devices will act as plug-and-play computer peripherals, allowing the user to select it as their computer's camera, microphone, and loudspeaker. Now you gain a 4K camera with digital pan, tilt, zoom, and auto framing. VB devices also come with an array of microphones that create 4 discrete beams that dynamically track voices in the space, so your far-end meeting participants can fully hear everyone in the room. The Videobar VB devices come with Bose Professional proprietary loudspeakers that provide clear and natural sound from the remote participants into the room. Plus, they have onboard Bluetooth connectivity for in-room audio playback from a smart device. Your computer with a Bose Professional Videobar VB device is now fully capable of handling any group meetings or multimedia presentation in a small room or even up to medium-sized conference rooms. And it doesn't stop with just the hardware. The Bose Professional Videobar VB devices stand out again as they come with a comprehensive suite of software. The first application, called Videobar Configuration, can be installed on a Windows or Mac computer, and it serves a dual purpose. Its home screen provides any user camera control for pan, tilt, zoom, auto framing, and preset recalls. Its primary purpose is the password-protected administration section required for first-time setup. It also provides the installer and system administrator secured access to advanced configuration settings. Connection is made via the supplied USB-C cable between the computer and Videobar. Please note the cable that is issued with the VB1 has a USB-C connector on both ends, while the cable that comes with the VBS is a USB-C to USB-A cable. Both products come with adapters to ensure they can be plugged into your computer's USB-A or C port. Once first-time setup is completed and the VB device is network connected, you can open a web browser on your computer and type in the Videobar's IP address. It will open the browser-based version of Videobar Configuration. It provides similar settings to the app. Having a browser-based version provides remote network access to a Videobar when you don't have the application software available. The second application option is called Videobar Mobile. Connection is established using Bluetooth Low-Energy Wireless technology. The Videobar mobile app is designed for users and provides quick access to basic controls like what are found on the included remote control. as seen in the side-by-side comparison. You get real-time control of volume, mute, pan, tilt, zoom presets, and Bluetooth pairing. For security, the Videobar mobile app doesn't include the password-protected administrator settings. The app connects via Bluetooth to automatically discover and connect with the Bose professional Videobar VB device in the same room as the user. Since the mobile device is connected via Bluetooth, you can also stream music or use the Videobar as a speakerphone. The last software application called Videobar Administration brings enterprise-level remote management via a network connection built into the VB device. The VB1 supports both wired and wireless connections, while the VBS only supports wireless. Videobar Administration makes it simple to deploy and manage multiple VB devices anywhere from a single device installed in one meeting area to thousands installed in conference rooms across the globe. You can control all critical functions from a single location, such as discover all devices on the network, configure them, and push updates to all or only selected units. And because the VB1 and VBS support SNMP and a REST API, you can also choose your own or third-party management applications. You will learn more about Videobar administration software in another tutorial. One last point. This chart shows the Bose professional Videobar software applications and the connection technology used for each of them. Well, that's it for this tutorial explaining the ecosystem and a quick introduction to the Bose professional Videobar hardware and 3 software applications. The first software being Videobar configuration with an app or web UI version, followed by Videobar mobile app, and ending with Videobar administration. Please watch our in-depth tutorials explaining each of these components in more detail. Thank you.